Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are diving into a world filled with creativity, imagination, and timeless craftsmanship. If you love transforming simple materials into beautiful home decor pieces, then this video is made especially for you. Whether you are an experienced woodworker, a passionate DIY creator, or someone who simply enjoys decorating your living space with handmade charm, this inspiring journey through creative art and craft ideas will spark your imagination and motivate you to start your next project. Grab your favorite cup of coffee, settle into your workshop chair, and let us explore incredible ideas that can turn ordinary wood into extraordinary decor. Woodworking has always been more than just cutting and joining pieces of timber. It is a form of art that allows people to express personality, warmth, and creativity inside their homes. Every grain pattern, every carved detail, and every polished surface tells a story about patience and craftsmanship. In today's world where mass-produced furniture dominates the market, handmade wooden decor pieces carry a unique soul that instantly makes a home feel more inviting and personal. One of the most inspiring things about woodworking is that even the smallest project can completely transform the atmosphere of a room. Imagine walking into a living room where a handcrafted wooden wall shelf displays family photographs, candles, and tiny indoor plants. The natural texture of the wood instantly creates a warm and peaceful environment. Floating shelves are one of the simplest yet most elegant projects for woodworkers because they combine beauty with functionality. Reclaimed wood shelves, especially those with rustic textures and visible grain patterns, can add character to modern apartments as well as traditional homes. Pairing wood with black metal brackets can create an industrial style, while smooth oak with hidden supports gives a clean Scandinavian appearance. These small details allow creators to personalize every design according to the personality of the homeowner. Another inspiring home decor idea is the creation of handmade wooden coffee tables that become the centerpiece of a living room. A coffee table is not just furniture. It becomes a gathering place where conversations happen, where families share meals, and where memories are created. Woodworkers can experiment with epoxy resin river tables, geometric leg designs, or vintage farmhouse styles to create unique artistic statements. A table made from live-edge wood slabs preserves the natural curves and beauty of the tree, making every piece completely one of a kind. By sanding and finishing the surface carefully, the natural grain becomes more vibrant and luxurious, giving the room an elegant and organic feeling. Wall art made from wood is another growing trend that offers endless opportunities for creativity. Instead of purchasing expensive artwork from stores, woodworkers can create personalized decorative panels using carving tools, wood-burning techniques, or layered geometric patterns. A simple arrangement of stained wooden planks can become a stunning modern art installation. Some creators use contrasting colors of wood to form mountain landscapes, abstract shapes, or inspirational quotes that bring personality into the home. These handcrafted art pieces often become conversation starters because guests appreciate the uniqueness and effort behind handmade creations. For people who enjoy cozy interiors, wooden candle holders and lanterns are wonderful projects that combine elegance with simplicity. The soft glow of candlelight reflecting against natural wood creates a relaxing and comforting atmosphere, especially during evenings. Minimalist wooden candle stands with smooth finishes fit beautifully into modern interiors, while distressed rustic lanterns create a vintage farmhouse mood. Woodworkers can also incorporate glass, rope, or metal accents into these designs to make them even more artistic and eye-catching. Another remarkable project idea for home decor is building custom wooden planters and indoor garden displays. Bringing greenery into the home instantly makes a space feel fresh and alive, and handcrafted wooden planters enhance the beauty of plants even further. Vertical garden frames, hanging wooden planters, and tiered plant stands are especially popular because they save space while adding visual interest. Cedar and teak are excellent choices for these projects because they naturally resist moisture and maintain their beauty over time. Combining wood with greenery creates a perfect balance between nature and craftsmanship. Wooden mirrors are also becoming increasingly popular in modern interior design. A mirror framed with handcrafted wood adds warmth and sophistication to bedrooms, hallways, and bathrooms. Woodworkers can experiment with circular frames, sunburst patterns, or reclaimed barn wood designs to create mirrors that feel artistic and luxurious. A large statement mirror with intricate wooden detailing can completely transform a blank wall into a stunning focal point. The combination of reflective glass and natural wood creates a balance of light and texture that makes spaces feel larger and brighter. Storage solutions can also become artistic home decor pieces when designed creatively. Wooden storage benches, decorative crates, and handmade cabinets can serve practical purposes while enhancing the beauty of a room. Instead of hiding storage away, woodworkers can turn it into a visual feature by using beautiful stains, engraved details, or mixed material designs. A handcrafted entryway bench with hidden storage underneath not only keeps shoes and accessories organized, but also creates a welcoming atmosphere for guests entering the home. For those who enjoy seasonal decorating, woodworking offers endless possibilities throughout the year. During autumn, rustic wooden pumpkins, leaf-shaped wall hangings, and handcrafted wreath bases create cozy seasonal charm. Winter brings opportunities to create wooden snowflakes, decorative lanterns, and festive signs for holiday celebrations. Spring inspires floral-themed wooden decor, while summer encourages bright coastal-inspired projects using driftwood and lighter finishes. Seasonal woodworking projects keep creativity alive and allow makers to continuously refresh the appearance of their homes. Kitchen decor is another area where woodworking truly shines. Handmade wooden cutting boards, serving trays, spice racks, and utensil holders bring warmth and authenticity into cooking spaces. A beautifully crafted charcuterie board made from walnut or maple becomes both functional and decorative. Many woodworkers enjoy combining different wood species to create striking patterns that showcase the natural beauty of the material. Wooden open shelving in kitchens has also become a major design trend because it creates a welcoming farmhouse atmosphere while displaying dishes, jars, and decorative accessories. Bedrooms can also benefit from handmade wooden decor elements that create comfort and tranquility. A custom-built wooden headboard can completely change the appearance of a bedroom, making it feel luxurious and inviting. Reclaimed wood headboards with warm lighting attached behind them create a cozy hotel-inspired atmosphere. Floating nightstands, handmade jewelry organizers, and rustic wooden picture frames add subtle artistic touches that make the room feel personal and relaxing. The beauty of handmade wooden decor lies in the fact that every item carries a sense of care and craftsmanship that cannot be replicated by factory-made products. One of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking is the ability to recycle and repurpose old materials. Reclaimed wood projects are especially inspiring because they transform forgotten materials into beautiful decor pieces with history and character. Old pallets, barnwood, and salvaged timber can become stunning furniture, wall art, or decorative accents. The imperfections, nail marks, and weathered textures found in reclaimed would add authenticity and charm that new materials often lack. Sustainability has become increasingly important in modern design, and woodworking allows creators to contribute positively by reusing natural resources creatively. Lighting projects are another exciting area for artistic woodworkers. Handmade wooden lamps, pendant lights, and sconces can dramatically influence the mood of a room. Combining warm LED lighting with carefully crafted wooden structures creates a modern yet natural aesthetic. Some woodworkers experiment with laser-cut patterns that allow light to cast beautiful shadows across walls and ceilings. Others prefer minimalist designs where the elegance comes from smooth wood grain and clean lines. No matter the style, handcrafted lighting pieces often become standout decor elements that make a home feel sophisticated and artistic. Children's room decor also offers countless creative possibilities for woodworkers. Handmade toy storage boxes, personalized name signs, and whimsical wooden wall art can make children's spaces feel magical and imaginative. Small wooden bookshelves shaped like houses or clouds add playful charm while encouraging organization and reading habits. Parents often appreciate handmade decor because it feels safer, more meaningful, and more durable than mass-produced alternatives. Woodworkers who enjoy fine detailing may find inspiration in carving and engraving projects. Decorative wooden trays with carved patterns, engraved family signs, or hand-carved sculptures showcase exceptional craftsmanship and artistic skill. These projects often require patience and precision, but the final results can become treasured heirlooms passed down through generations. Personalized decor items hold emotional value because they reflect the creativity and effort invested by the maker. Outdoor home decor is equally exciting for woodworking enthusiasts. Wooden porch signs, planter boxes, patio furniture, and garden benches help extend creativity beyond interior spaces. A beautifully crafted wooden swing on a front porch instantly creates a welcoming atmosphere where people can relax and enjoy peaceful evenings. Garden pathways lined with handcrafted wooden lanterns or decorative signs add charm and personality to outdoor areas. Weather-resistant finishes and durable wood choices ensure these creations remain beautiful for years. Many woodworkers today are combining traditional craftsmanship with modern technology to create truly innovative decor. CNC machines and laser cutters allow artists to achieve intricate patterns and precise detailing that would take countless hours by hand. However, the heart of woodworking still remains in creativity, imagination, and attention to detail. Technology simply becomes another tool that expands artistic possibilities. The blend of old-fashioned craftsmanship with modern design trends creates exciting opportunities for contemporary home decor. One inspiring trend in modern woodworking is the combination of wood with other materials such as metal, glass, concrete, and resin. These mixed material projects create stunning contrasts that feel both artistic and sophisticated. A wooden console table with black steel legs creates an industrial modern look, while wood paired with clear epoxy resin produces mesmerizing artistic effects. Concrete and wood combinations are especially popular in minimalist interiors because they balance warmth and simplicity beautifully. Texture also plays an important role in wooden home decor. Smooth, polished surfaces create elegance and refinement, while rough, distressed textures add rustic charm and authenticity. Burnt wood finishes inspired by traditional Japanese techniques can create dramatic visual impact with deep black tones and unique grain patterns. Whitewashed wood gives coastal-inspired interiors a light and airy feeling. Experimenting with different stains, paints, and finishing techniques allows woodworkers to develop unique artistic styles. Creative woodworkers often find inspiration in nature itself. Tree rings, flowing grain patterns, and natural imperfections remind us that every piece of wood carries its own identity. Some artisans intentionally preserve knots, cracks, and irregular edges because they add personality and organic beauty to the finished project. Nature-inspired designs such as leaf carvings, floral motifs, and mountain-shaped shelves connect interior spaces with the calming beauty of the outdoors. Home offices have become increasingly important in recent years, and woodworking offers endless ideas for creating productive yet stylish workspaces. Handmade desks, floating shelves, cable organizers, and monitor stands can transform a basic office into an inspiring environment. A custom wooden desk built specifically for comfort and functionality enhances productivity while adding warmth and sophistication to the room. Woodworkers can personalize office decor with engraved motivational quotes or unique storage solutions that reflect creativity and professionalism. Small decorative accents are often underestimated, but they can significantly influence the atmosphere of a home. Wooden coasters, clocks, trays, key holders, and tissue box covers add subtle handmade charm throughout living spaces. These smaller projects are perfect for beginners because they require less material and time while still allowing room for creativity. They also make meaningful handmade gifts for friends and family members. One of the most beautiful aspects of woodworking is the emotional connection people develop with handmade items. Unlike factory-produced decor, handcrafted pieces carry stories, memories, and individuality. A handmade dining table may witness family celebrations for decades. A carved wooden picture frame may preserve treasured memories for generations. These emotional connections make woodworking deeply rewarding beyond its visual appeal. For aspiring woodworkers, the journey of learning and experimenting is just as valuable as the finished product. Mistakes become lessons, and every completed project builds confidence and skill. Many successful artisans began with simple projects before developing advanced techniques and unique artistic styles. The key is consistency, patience, and a willingness to explore creativity without fear of imperfection. Social media and online communities have also transformed the woodworking world by allowing creators to share inspiration and connect globally. Platforms filled with workshop tour, project tutorials, and design showcases motivate people to push their creativity further. Watching another craftsman transform raw lumber into a breathtaking piece of decor can inspire viewers to start their own creative journey. This sense of community keeps traditional craftsmanship alive in a modern digital age. As trends continue to evolve, one thing remains timeless: the beauty of handmade wooden decor. Whether the style is rustic farmhouse, minimalist Scandinavian, industrial modern, or vintage traditional, wood adapts beautifully to every design aesthetic. Its warmth, durability, and natural elegance make it one of the most beloved materials in home decor history. The most inspiring part of woodworking is that creativity has no limits. A single plank of wood can become a floating shelf, a sculptural lamp, a decorative sign, a dining table, or a piece of wall art depending entirely on the imagination of the creator. Every workshop becomes a place where ideas come to life, where raw materials transform into meaningful art, and where passion turns into lasting beauty. Thank you so much for joining me in today's creative journey through inspiring art and craft ideas for home decor. I hope these woodworking ideas sparked your imagination and motivated you to begin your next project with excitement and confidence. Remember that every masterpiece begins with a simple idea and the courage to create something unique with your own hands. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite woodworking ideas in the comments below. I would love to hear about the creative projects you are working on in your own workshop. Until next time, keep creating, keep building, and keep turning your imagination into beautiful works of art. See you in the next video.